If your outlet wires are loosely connected, you're basically asking for arcing, shorts, or even a fire risk, so it's super important to get this fixed right away. Okay, so first off, always turn off the power at the breaker before you mess with any wiring. That's just basic safety, you know? When you pull out the outlet, check if any wires look loose or frayed, and if they do, tighten the screws holding them down or strip the wire back a bit and re-terminate it so it's snug. Make sure the copper part of the wire is wrapped clockwise around the screw. That way, when you tighten it, it pulls the wire in instead of pushing it out. If the wires are in push-in connectors, sometimes those can get loose over time, so try switching to screw terminals if possible. They tend to hold better. Don't forget to use a voltage tester after you're done to double-check everything is safe before you put the outlet back in the wall. If you notice any burnt marks or melted insulation, that's a big red flag to replace the outlet entirely. Also, keep an eye on older homes, because wiring can degrade and outlets might need upgrading to handle modern electrical loads. Taking these steps helps avoid annoying flickering lights or random power cuts that come from bad connections. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet wiring is not turning off the breaker first. This can lead to serious shocks or worse. Fix that by always checking with a tester that the power is off before touching anything. Another common issue is wrapping wires counterclockwise around screws, which can loosen over time and cause arcing. Always wrap clockwise to keep a tight connection. Lastly, using worn out or damaged outlets without replacing them can cause overheating and electrical shorts, so if your outlet looks old or cracked, just swap it out for a new one. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot to find reliable local electricians and contractors who know their stuff when it comes to fixing wiring problems safely. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you get work by connecting you with homeowners ready to tackle their home repairs.